Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you planning to import or export goods to or from Nigeria? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be breaking down the Nigerian Customs Regulations so you can navigate the process with ease. Let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to Nigerian Customs Regulations. Nigerian customs regulations are put in place to ensure that all imports and exports are done in a legal and orderly manner. The regulations are enforced by the Nigeria Customs Service, which is responsible for collecting duties, taxes, and other charges on imported goods. Section 2. Types of import-export permits. There are several types of permits you may need to import or export goods to or from Nigeria. These include import permit, export permit, transit permit, re-export permit. Each permit has its own requirements and conditions, so it's important to understand which one you need for your specific situation. Section 3. Documents required. To import or export goods to or from Nigeria, you'll need to provide certain documents including commercial invoice, bill of lading, certificate of origin, customs declaration form, payment receipt. Make sure you have all the necessary documents to avoid any delays or issues with your shipment. Section 4. Tariffs and duties. Tariffs and duties are charges imposed on imported goods. The amount of tariff and duty you pay depends on the type of goods you're importing, their value in the country of origin. Section 5. Prohibited and restricted goods. Some goods are prohibited or restricted from being imported or exported to or from Nigeria. These include firearms and ammunition, narcotic drugs, counterfeit goods, wildlife and endangered species. Make sure you're aware of what goods are prohibited or restricted to avoid any legal issues. Understanding the regulations and requirements can save you time, money, and stress. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at the car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Burger Auto Market, Lagos, or Copart, USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper. And importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand, with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment, then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.